Hell freaking yes. Oh my gosh. That is freaking dope. What's going on, folks? So yesterday, I started to make a overhead cabinet, a really small overhead cabinet, or overhead storage compartment above the cab, right there. Boom, 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 boom. But I failed miserably. So I made these brackets right here. And the problem is it took so many times of bolting it up and taking it down, because I had to make some trim, and bolting it up, take it down, bolting it up, take it down. I had to rebuild these blocks quite a few times because of all the holes. And it's hard to get it in the same exact spot as before. So I'm gonna pretty much change my whole setup. And I filmed this all yesterday. So here's a little montage right now. Well, I fucked up. But yeah, we're pretty much gonna change it all. So yesterday I tried to avoid going to Home Depot. I found some little L brackets that I self-tapped to this rib. Found some nuts and bolts, drilled some holes. And then did some rivet nuts. So I bought a rivet nut gun from Harbor Freight a while back. I never used it, so I was just collecting dust, and I thought today was the perfect time. So there are natural holes, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5 holes that go all the way over here. I just drilled them bigger. Installed some rivet nuts in there. Here's the rivet nut gun, or rivet nut tool. And pretty much what I'm changing up is, instead of using blocks of wood and using just wood screws, we are going to use L brackets and some T-nuts to mount the bracket to the wood. So we'll drill some holes, tap in some T-nuts. That way we can use, you know, bolts, or, you know, bolts. My name is Paul St. Louis. That's my van. It's a 2006 Ford E350, 5.4 two-wheel drive. I'm turning this cargo van into a tiny home on wheels. And this is my boy. But yeah, if you're new here, please like and subscribe. I'm almost to 500 subscribers. Once I reach that goal, my next goal is 1,000. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. Come join us. So let's get to work. But yeah, let me open these and show you how we're going to approach this. Hook up these L brackets. Sorry, I don't know where to put you guys. I don't have a tripod yet. So I got some 3-inch L brackets, some bolts. If you do the rivet nut idea, which I would suggest, I want to make sure the bolts and the rivet nuts are the same, which they're not, because I got the wrong bolts. Damn it. We're going to Home Depot. Got the goodies, bruh. So I meant to grab some 2.5 L brackets, but I forgot. I'm definitely not going back there again. So we're gonna use the 2-inch brackets for the front, 3-inch brackets in the back, along with these brackets. And what I should have done is grab some different bolts. Bolts that don't taper, because it's gonna go like that. But like I said, I'm not going back. I'm not doing it. So we're gonna leave these somewhat loose, but not super loose, just so they can move around a little bit. But I made my marks, kind of. So let's trim it and we'll try it again. All right, round 2. Actually, this is practically round 10. Because of the other base, it broke. pencil. Shit. And just mark it right there. Yeah. Okay. Let's got some more marks. So let's cut it. And this plywood, what's the term for that? Bowing? I hope that does not affect shit. But we'll find out together, won't we? All right, round 3. Let's see how many rounds we take. Let's see, let's find a good spot for y'all. Right on the windowsill. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Okay, perfect. So, I need to cut. Damn it. Why do I always lose my freaking pencil? Ugh. I always do that. Put it in my pocket, say it stays in my pocket. What do? Take it out. This corner, and there. Right there. All right, pencil in the pocket. I should put 2 in there. All right, 1 in the other pocket. I should have another pencil for out here. I think there's 1 in the van. Bingo. Found 1 in the van. Let's sharpen it up. All right. Take 4. So we want to make sure is at the base is not touching any of the metal, just in case it moves. It's not going to scrape it and cause a creaking or a squeaking sound, scratching sound, something like that. You know, the annoying sound. So make sure it's all trimmed. All right, take 5. I'm pretty sure this is the one, y'all. Damn it, almost. All right, take 6. Bingo. Okay, now that everything's trimmed perfect, we're gonna grab a Sharpie, stick it underneath those brackets where the holes go, and make some marks so I know where to drill some holes. But make sure it's lined up in the right place that you want it to. It's perfect. All right, we'll start off with the one in the middle first because it keeps sliding. So pretty much what we're gonna do is get a bit the same diameter, or almost the same diameter as this little, let's call it a nipple. It needs to be as tight as possible. Put it over the hole, and then you just hammer away, ding, ding, ding. And then these little teeth grab into the wood, and then that way you're able to put a bolt through without it moving. Okay, so we're gonna put it, this is the section on the top, so between the storage compartment and the roof of the van. This is where my head's gonna go, right here. So we're gonna put this on top, that way the bolt sucks it down. If it was underneath, then the bolt could suck it down, pulling it out. So we'll put it on top. Before I start drilling into this, I got a bit. Let's see if this will fit. That's a little bit too loose. Let's see if we can go a little bit smaller. I found the bit. Perfect. Let's see what size it is. 7/32. I don't know how you say that. Let's see. Hell yeah, dude. Awesome. That's what I'm talking about. So we're gonna mount that, bolt that up, put the 3-inch brackets on the back half, hold it in place, and then we're gonna grab our Sharpie and make some more marks. Handy dandy Sharpie. And what the heck? Look at this guy. Ozzy, what are you doing? He's such a goofball. Like, that looks so uncomfortable. Okay, we got our handy dandy bolts, handy dandy nuts, handy dandy brackets, handy dandy Sharpie, handy dandy dandy. So let's go. Take, what is it, 7, 8, 7. So we are mounted partially. So now I gotta make some marks for the holes right there. I'm probably just gonna do one mark over here. Once these are bolted up, it's gonna pull that down because right now it's bowing. Hopefully it does anyhow. Make a mark right there. And then we're done. Before I go any further, got that mounted. Let's see how it does sitting in the front seat. Because the cool thing about these doing the bracket style is I can adjust it. You know, if I get smaller brackets, I can make it shorter. If I get longer brackets, I can drop it more. I think it's perfect. Now let's test out its purpose. Dude, what? Hell yeah. That's perfect. That's freaking perfect. I think the bowing is actually helping because it drops the middle down, which I need most of my space above the driver's seat. Yeah, we're gonna go to Home Depot, see if we can grab some shorter bolts so we don't have studs poking up, some flatter heads so we have more grabbing clearance, and I'm gonna grab some 2.5 brackets just in case. Oh, and more T-nuts. I got a list. Some more products. Red Bull. I'm definitely not going back now. Those bolts fit so much better. Now they can grab. Damn, look at that. I was gonna get the 3/4 of an inch. I was like, no, let's just get the 5/8. Like, all right, let me just get 2 bags of both. 5/8 is perfect. Nice. Okay. Let's flip this son of a gun over. Drill some holes. All right, got everything lined up, ready to be mounted. Now it's time to sand it, get rid of all these splinters, especially up in this side over here. And then we're going to, like that. And then we're going to put some carpet, black carpet up there, up on the top. And then what I want to do is staple one of the tapestries I have in there. This is all the carpet I have, so I'm kind of just puzzling it together. Looks like Frankenstein. Now for my favorite part. I'm gonna install this tapestry. Dude, this thing is looking rad as hell. Oh shit. I should have put the tapestry underneath the rug, but it is what it is. But this is my favorite tapestry, and sucks I'm cutting it up, but it's going for it to a good cause. Luckily I can buy a new one, and I will. Nice. No sag. I was worried about that. So last night I finished the compartment, but it was dark out and it just did not do it justice. So I'm gonna show you, and it's freaking awesome. Check this out. Dude. I've got about 4.5 inches of clearance over here. The bowing definitely helps give me more space. Sturdy as hell. I've driven around, no weird noises. These brackets are definitely a must if you're gonna do this. Dude, freaking awesome. I love it, I do. It's like perfect, like perfectly made. It's so symmetrical and, oh, that's amazing. Good job, Paul. But I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching me do some van shit. I got that compartment done. I'm pretty happy about it. And I finally have somewhere to put all those freaking window covers, because those things are annoying. Take up so much space. I appreciate you guys hanging out. Appreciate the love, appreciate the support. Please like, subscribe, follow for next time. And yeah, we're gonna turn this van into a freaking tiny home on wheels. Anyways, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.